Hi there, welcome to the new Qlik Sense tutorial video, and in this video we will going to look at the combination function which you must have read during your education time like senior secondary or higher secondary, where you must have looked at the topic permutation combination. So it's the same topic combination over here, which returns the number of combination of an element that can be picked up from a set of items. So over here basically Q indicates the number of combination of an element, and P indicates it's basically a set of items. So what do we want? Let's say over here I can just add a measure. So in the expression editor I will simply write combin and I will say, let's say 5, 3 or 5, 3. So what it is basically saying that how many combination of 3 numbers can be picked up from a total of 5 numbers. So if I just click apply, what you get is the output as 10. So it's basically the 10 different combination of 3 numbers can be picked up from a total number which will have the 5 numbers. Similarly, you can experiment it with the other combination, and most of the time it's used in the probability theory, or when you are working with something where you are looking to identify how many combinations are possible from a given value or what you are expecting. So if that is what your requirement is for some mathematical calculation, then and you are looking for a combination sort of a function, then you can go ahead and utilize this by specifying a value like this. So only thing you need to remember is basically what you need to specify first and second, and if you're specifying it correctly like I have mentioned over here, then it will not be any issue. So that's what I mainly wanted to discuss in this video, and I'll meet you in the new video with the new topic.